Hello students, how is going on your studies? Hope you all are learning well. Myself, Professor Anjali Patel from Raffle BBA College, Vapi. Subject Entrepreneurship Development with respect to your semester 3rd. Hope from previous video, you all students are clear with the meaning of entrepreneur. After so many days, let us revise who is an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a one who has an innovative idea and start his own enterprise. The one who has ability to take a risk, that is risk taker ability, and the one who has an organizing skill that he used to organize the resources. The key element of an entrepreneurs are innovative ideas, risk taker, and organization skill. उस बंदे को हम एंटरप्रेन्योर बोलेंगे जिसके पास इनोवेटिव आइडियाज है, जिसके पास रिस्क टेकर एबिलिटी है, रिस्क लेने की वो क्षमता है और जिसके पास स्किल है कि सारे रिसोर्सेज जो रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं टू स्टार्ट एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, वो सारे रिसोर्सेज वो स्मूथ वे में ऑर्गेनाइज करे, उस बंदे को हम बोलेंगे एंटरप्रेन्योर. In simple way, a person who does something on its own is considered to be an entrepreneur. Let us have a query. When सबके माइंड में एक ही क्वेश्चन होगा कि व्हाट कैन बी डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन एंटरप्रेन्योर वर्सेस बिजनेसमैन. देयर विल बी अ डिफरेंस अमंग द एंटरप्रेन्योर बिजनेसमैन. लेट अस क्लियर दैट क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट कैन बी अ डिफरेंस अमंग द एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड अ बिजनेसमैन? The key difference between an entrepreneur and a businessman lies in the fact that an entrepreneur is a person who come up with a unique business idea and start his own startup on that idea only, whereas a businessman is a person who start his company using an old business concept or an idea. इन सिंपल वे हम बोले तो एंटरप्रेन्योर वो बंदा होता है, सिंपल वे में सिंपल लैंग्वेज में हम बोले तो एंटरप्रेन्योर वो बंदा होता है जो अपने यूनिक आइडिया के बेस में अपना एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है वो स्टार्ट करता है. और बिजनेसमैन में वो बंदा होता है, वो बिजनेस स्टार्ट तो करता है बट उसके आइडियाज और उसके कॉन्सेप्ट जो होते हैं वो ओल्ड होते हैं. वो मेन डिफरेंस है बिटवीन एन एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड बिजनेसमैन. Let us see is key parameters of comparison among the entrepreneur and businessman. The first one is general meaning or a definition. Entrepreneur को define कैसे वे में हम बोलेंगे? Entrepreneur, a person, a creative person who introduce a new ideas to run a business is considered to be an entrepreneur. Businessman को कैसे वे में define करेंगे? A person who follow the existing idea is considered to be a businessman. In terms of nature, entrepreneur can be a innovative and the businessman can be a traditional. In terms of goal oriented, entrepreneur can be a customer oriented, it can be an employer oriented, it can be a public oriented. But a businessman can be a profit oriented only, because a businessman used to start his business just to earn a profit rather than society welfare, or rather than a business used to start maximum purpose or maximum objective is to earn a profit only. The risk margin of an entrepreneur is high, whereas a businessman is low. Market position of an entrepreneur is a market leader. He used to be a leader of the market, whereas a businessman is a market player. He used to play with the ups and downs of the market. That is the biggest difference between an entrepreneur and a businessman. So hope you are clear with your query, or you are clear with the question arises in your mind. Okay, what is the difference between an entrepreneur and a businessman? सिंपल वे में बंदा जो जिसके पास इनोवेटिव आइडियाज हैं, जिसके पास रिस्क टेकर एबिलिटी है और जिसके पास स्किल ऑर्गेनाइजिंग स्किल है, उस बंदे को हम बोलेंगे एंटरप्रेन्योर. और जो बंदा एग्जिस्टिंग आइडिया ओल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट में अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहा है उसको हम बोलेंगे बिजनेसमैन. Let us see its qualities of entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, some quality you might be possess. Let us learn what are the qualities of an entrepreneur. A true entrepreneur, besides possessing your function quality, must also possess the broad personalities, which help in developing and achievement of a task. As James Baines has stressed the following qualities of a good entrepreneur, the personal qualities that contribute to the success of an entrepreneur are as follows. First one, motivation towards achievement. Second one, creativity. Third one, clarity. Fourth one, business secret. Fifth one, human relation ability. Sixth one, communication ability. Seven, mental ability. And eighth one, your risk taker. Let us see this quality in detail wise, one by one. First one, motivation towards achievement. A successful entrepreneur can be a good leader if he has a strong motivation towards his goal, towards his achievement, towards his target, towards his objective. In simple way, entrepreneurs should know the art of getting things done by other people without hurting their feelings or self-respect. He should be a strong motivate towards the achievement of tasks and must be able to consider that efforts in getting things done by other. In simple way, motivation towards achievement की quality यही बोलना चाहती है कि entrepreneur can be a good leader when he has a strong motivation towards the achievement of his tasks. Second quality, that is creativity. क्रिएटिविटी कब बढ़ती है? जब आप इंटेलिजेंसी होती है, आपके पास क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग होती है और सारे प्रॉब्लम्स और आपके सारे सिचुएशन प्रिसाइज वे में एनालाइज करते हो, प्रिसाइज वे में डील करते हो, तब आपकी क्रिएटिविटी जो होती है वो बढ़ जाती है. तो एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर यू शुड बी अ क्रिएटिविटी, you should be have a creativity quality. That quality can be possessed on the basis of intelligence, on the basis of your creative thinking, on the basis of your brainstorming, and analyze each and every problem or a situation in a precise way and order to deal with it. That is your second point, creativity. Third point, clarity. An entrepreneur should have a clear objective, has to exit nature of business, nature of goods to be produced, activity to be undertaken, where to locate a business, what should be a production process, where to sell the products, where to market your product, how much money is required to start your entrepreneurship, from where the funds can be raised on, and how the funds can be allocated. That clarity should be there among the entrepreneur. Then only he can become a successful entrepreneur. Fourth one, your business secret. An entrepreneur must be able to maintain a business secret. Your ideas should not be exposed among your competitors. Entrepreneur should have a proper selection of assistants so that the business secret can be maintained among the entrepreneurship only. Fifth one, human relation ability. The most important factor that contributes to success of entrepreneur is an emotional stability. You should be emotional stable for your entrepreneurship. If an worker come with you with a new technique to have a holidays, if बंदा एम्प्लॉय है, वो बंदा आया है आपको छुट्टी लेने के लिए और आपको इमोशनल फुल बना रहा है, दैट इमोशनल फुल आपको नहीं बनने के लिए आपको इमोशनली स्टेबल होना चाहिए. दैट पर्सनल रिलेशन आपके कस्टमर के साथ कैसे मेंटेन करना है, आपके एम्प्लॉयज के साथ कैसे मेंटेन करना है, आपके शेयर होल्डर्स के साथ कैसे मेंटेन करना है, दैट ability should be there. Then only you can be a successful entrepreneur. So a good human relation among the stakeholders can help an entrepreneur to become a successful entrepreneur. Next one is communication ability. In communication, you have learned that both sender and receiver should receive the same message. Whatever message you are passing, that same message should be received by the receiver. Then only we can say communication is effective. So communication ability among the entrepreneur is the ability to communicate effectively to his customer, to his supplier, to his employer, to his competitors. And that good communication can imply that both sender and receiver should understand each other. An entrepreneur who can effectively communicate with customer, with supplier, with employers and his competitor will more likely to be success than the entrepreneur who does not. That is your communication ability. Next one, your mental ability. Mental ability consists of intelligence, an analytic approach, and a creative things. Mental ability in the sense that entrepreneur should be mentally strong to handle each stress which occur in entrepreneurship. That is daily, day-to-day stress. He should be mentally stable to consider the fall down in his entrepreneurship as well as He should adopt the changes occurring in the market that take place in the market. He should be ready to deal with the customer tastes and preferences which have a continuous change in the market. That mental ability should be there among the entrepreneur. Next one, that is your risk taker. The first and the foremost quality of an entrepreneur or element of an entrepreneur that he should be a risk taker. Risk arises from uncertainty. That is, future is uncertain, and we are dealing in that future. We know that there is a frequent changes in government policy. There is a frequent changes in the consumer taste and preferences. There can be a frequent change in technologies also. It because of this dynamic business. We know that dynamic entrepreneurship means continuous change, keep on changes. Thus, risk bearing capacity play a major role to become a successful entrepreneur. Apart from these other qualities, there are other qualities also to become a successful entrepreneur. That is vision. You should be have a clear vision about your entrepreneurship. Adaptability, that is, you should adopt your changes that occur in the entrepreneurship. Flexibility, you should have a flexible enough to change your method of production, to change your policy, to change your recruitment or selection procedure. You should be a motivator. You should be a self motivate, and you should motivate your employees. You should motivate your customers. You should motivate your colleagues to do work in a smooth way. The willpower, that there should be a strong willpower to handle each and every situation that occur in their entrepreneurship. You should be commitment to your customer, to your government, to your supplier. Then only they will have a trust and they will deal with you. Self confidence, you should be a self confidence to present yourself in your market, to present yourself in front of your customer, to present yourself in front of your supplier or a government. And the last, dreamer, you should be a dreamer of your entrepreneurship. What will be a future of an entrepreneurship in the next 5 years? The dream should be there among your mind, which create to be a successful entrepreneur. So, these all are the qualities of an entrepreneur one should be possessed to become a successful entrepreneur. Hope you are clear with the concept of qualities of entrepreneur. Thank you, students.